Hi there, happy Monday. I am recording today from a different location outside of my home so you could see my beautiful roses. And I want to just share with you that, of course, time outside is very, very important and it helps bring balance and connection to the earth, and our bodies are part of the earth and they're connected to the earth. And so when you are outdoors and connecting to plants and nature and the earth, it is healthier for you. Today, I'm Dr. Shiroko Sokitch. I'm always Dr. Shiroko Sokitch, author of the book Healing When It Seems Impossible, 7 Keys to Defy the Odds. And I'm showing you my garden and my roses today. And the subject is acupressure for balancing hormones. So it's a fairly short video today, just to give you some acupressure points that can help balance your hormones. And interestingly, all of the points that are really good for female hormones are really around your knees. And so I'm going to move this computer and just kind of show you the points around my knees. So here, actually, let's see. Here's my knee. And so right here, so if you were to take your fingers and take your index finger and pull up along the inside of your knee there, there's a place where there's like a little catch where your fingers get stuck, and that's one of the points. That's a spleen point. And then on your fourth finger, which is this one, you want to slide up the same place on the outer aspect of your knee, and that is a gallbladder point. And those 2 points help balance hormones. The one on the inside of the knee is going to be a little bit tender, but that is a really good point for helping your hormones. Also helps with digestion. And the one on the outside of the knee, that's where the bone that's called the fibula meets the knee joint, is also a helpful point for hormones. And then if you do this like this, then your thumb goes to a point above the knee. That's a spleen 10. That's another point that helps with, like, if you have premenstrual tension or premenstrual cramps or things like that. So that point is also very good. So you could just do this thing where you grab your knee and your index finger would be on the spleen point, and then your fourth finger would be on the outer part of your knee, and then the thumb would be above the knee. So it'd be kind of like this. I'll show you again just in case. So like this, one here, and one here, so that you have, and then this one is actually on a stomach point. So your middle finger then would end up on the tibial crest, so at the top of the other big bone in your knee or in your leg. Just below the point, next to that bone, is another acupuncture point for the stomach that helps make blood. And so if you have menstrual cramps or PMS or any of those things, all 4 of these fingers would help support your hormones. So one of the things that you can do is you can massage your knees. You don't even have to be that specific with where the location of the points is. You can just kind of massage around your knees, both knees, maybe a week before your period if you're having perimenopausal or premenstrual tension, things like that, and it will help support your hormones and help them feel less crampy. Now, the one above the knee where your thumb would go if you were doing that kind of grab thing, that one is really good for cramps. So if you have cramps or pain around your period time, then that would be a really good point to massage. Any of those 4 points that I've mentioned, again, the spleen one on the inside of the knee, when you slide up the inside of that bone, on the top of the bone with your middle finger on the other bone on the other side with your fourth finger, and then your thumb above the knee. So I'm going to show you one more time and see if I do a better job here. So this one's on the inside here, the fourth finger's on the outside, this one's on the, like, just to the side of the bone there, and then and then just above the knee right there. So these are great points that help support your hormones and will help you with PMS symptoms or perimenopausal symptoms. I do them when I do acupuncture on my patients. I do them a lot to help support people's hormones, and they're very, very effective. I hope you found that helpful, and I'll look forward to seeing you again next week. Maybe we'll have another place in my garden where other roses are growing. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.